Hi, I'm Alex from Zeus Technology. I want to talk to you a bit about how Zeus Traffic Manager can help accelerate your website, and talk a bit about some of the specific things that we can do in terms of offloading CPU-intensive work that would normally be done by your web servers. So the Traffic Manager, being between your client base and your application servers, is in a very good position to do things like SSL offload, compression offload, and we also do some interesting things with the way that we handle application traffic as we distribute the load to your application servers. So I'm just going to go through a basic setup of how you would configure SSL offload. The first thing that you would need to do is install some SSL certificates. So these, if you're migrating off of a single web server infrastructure to a load balanced environment, you would first need to export those, or rather import those certificates into the Traffic Manager, or you can generate certificates on the Traffic Manager itself. So just to show you that process, I'll enter a few fields here. That pertain to a server certificate. And once you've generated a self-signed certificate, you can then, using this link here to export the certificate, you can then send that off to a certificate authority to have that digitally signed. And that will mean that that browsers will trust that certificate. So in order to set up an SSL offload virtual server, you could use a wizard, or you could use this so-called manual method. Basically, all you need to do is configure a virtual server that listens on port 443, turn on the SSL decryption setting, select the certificate that you want to use to decrypt the traffic, and that's all there is to it. Other features that help you offload CPU-intensive work is content compression, which basically uses a gzip algorithm to compress uncompressed content, and also content caching, which stores objects in physical memory on the Traffic Manager rather than fetching them from the web server every single time.